I have a new GE oven, and need to know how to use the proof function.
Can you guesstimate how old your GE is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
JT5000 SF5SS.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, I need to proof some dinner rolls.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Just tell me how to use the proof function. I press the button and the display shows hot for a moment and then turns off.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. This is a fairly straightforward function to use. All you should have to do is press the proof button, then press start. It should at that point continue to keep the oven warm for proofing. If it's shutting off on its own, unplug the oven or flip the breaker off for 5 minutes to see if it'll reset. If you still have problems, your display control board has corrupted logic and the entire display board would need to be replaced. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance. Hello again. I'm just following up because I haven't heard back from you and I see this question is still open and unrated. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Good answer. I still have a question. Is it necessary to put a pan of hot water in the bottom when using the proof function? Is it necessary to put a pan of boiling water on the bottom of the oven when proofing?
No, but you should cover whatever you are proofing so it doesn't dry out.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.